Galaxy devices carry Samsung Messages app, by default messaging app, which has a lot of amazing features. Of course, Samsung continuously to push latest update to improve the messaging experience. And yes, conversation categories is one of the latest addition. Now you may wonder what the conversation category feature is and how you can use them. Okay, so hey everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we will explain what is the conversation categories in the Samsung messaging app and how you can enable it. So for that, you have to watch the full video on our YouTube channel, SammyFans. Okay, so let's start and see how we can enable the conversation categories in the Samsung messaging app. The conversation categories are turned off by default. You need to enable it in the Samsung Messages app settings. Yes, so for that, following these steps, open the Message app and then tap on the three dots on the upper right side corner. Then tap on the Edit category and now click on the Add category. Here, just tap on the category and click on the Done. Select the contact and now click the Done. As well as you can add more categories, repeat these steps. Select the contact and that's it. Aside from this, you can remove all these categories if you want. Then open the Message app and go to the three dots. Now select the Edit categories and here select the categories that you want to delete from here. After that, select on the Delete and here delete your categories that you want to delete. That's it. So Samsung launched daily new features, and if you want information about it, then subscribe our channel and hit the like button. And yes, don't forget to click the bell icon to stay with us. Thanks for watching. Visit again SammyFans.